Okay, I got it all back together, to some extent anyway. Carburetor's in, the air filter plate's on, muffler's on. Somehow, I'm not sure how I did it, I lost a mount bolt for the engine. I don't know where that went. This tractor hasn't moved far since I took it off, so I don't know. I got all the electrical wiring disconnected. That may be a bad thing, because I'm not sure once I get it started how I'm going to turn it off. We'll see. So what we're going to see next is the attempt to start the engine. I've already got gas in it. New fuel filter, shut-off valve. So here we go. Let me stop this and get it into a point where we can sit and try this. Now it runs. Throttle doesn't seem to work though. Well, I got it started. That was step one. So now it's just a matter of getting the throttle linkage working, make it adjustable. 7-year-old Briggs & Stratton, sitting in the field. Well, sitting in the field for 7 years. It's probably mid-80s. Okay, we'll see when I get it tuned up.